These two were playing real cutely and wildly, including all the way like up the cat tree and stuff. But I wasn't prepared to tape it at the time. Oh well. There's my purring little girl kneading away on the pink blanket. It's kind of quiet here because the power was turned off in order for the men to work on the wires outside. And there's the men's trucks doing something. They're changing all of the... They put up new wire poles and they're switching all the wires from the old ones to the new ones. Just FYI, possibly boring FYI, but FYI nonetheless. Now they're sawing off the old pole, I bet. They don't need it anymore. They switched everything over. And Blazy Girl can just sleep through it all. Way to go, Blazy Girl. Doing one of her favorite activities other than playing and chasing Silver, which is bathing. Gotta keep clean every 5 or 10 minutes.